Hello everyone, welcome to QHubTv. In this video I am going to discuss about the Indian stock market outlook for the coming week. We have seen the huge volatility in the last week because there were many events scheduled, such as Fed meeting and Union budget and other US economic key data. So all these three events outcome came in favor of Indian stock market and other global markets also. If you look at the Indian Union budget, it is completely in favor of stock market only because there was no LTCG information. Then if you look at the Federal Reserve Committee outcome, that is, so whatever the rate hike expected by the market, the same outcome has been released by the Federal Reserve FOMC. Next one, other key economic indicators of the US came in favor of the market only, but the unexpected news came in the form of Adani stocks. After release of the back-to-back negative reports on Adani stocks, Indian stock market reacted violently, especially Bank Nifty reacted too much after seeing the report of different agencies. But from Thursday post lunch session, the Nifty and Bank Nifty both have recovered well and closed very positively. Now coming to the next week is very important for the Indian stock market because RBI MPC is going to announce the repo rate for this quarter, that is February 6th, 7th, 8th. So on these days the RBI MPC is going to conduct a meeting, and on 8th the RBI governor Shaktikanta Das may announce his repo rate decision. And if you look at the global cues, so in the coming week, different companies are going to announce their quarterly earnings reports. Even in our Indians, in our India also, the companies are going to announce their Q3 results. Now, if you look at the levels of the Nifty and Bank Nifty, the Nifty closed at 17,854. Now the support, the immediate support is coming at 17,801, then 17,648 and 17,538. If we look at the charts or option chain data, we are getting the same level only. Means the Nifty there is the huge support for the Nifty at 17,500 and 17,600. On higher side, 17,960, 18,000, 18,200. If Nifty closes or if Nifty crosses 17,960 level, then the doors will open for 18,000 and 18,200. Coming to the Bank Nifty is now trading at 41,499. So if you look at the daily chart, the immediate support for the Bank Nifty is 41,209, then 40,634, 40,047. So these are the levels where the Bank Nifty may take the support. On higher side, 41,675, 42,660 and 43,375. These are the levels where the Bank Nifty may face the resistance. If we look at the option chain option data also, there are the huge put writers at 41,000, 40,500, 40,000 and 39,500. call letters 42,000, 42,500 and 43,000. So these are the levels for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you look at the FIIS&DIIS data, this is the one, it is the major concern, that is FIIS continuous selling. Still they are selling in the cash market, they are taking the money from the Indian stock market and they are dumping in the China and other markets. So this is one of the negative news only. Hope very soon again the FIIS will turn towards Indian stock market. So on second, the FIIS has sold 3065 crores, on third 932 crores, and DIIS were the net buyers in the last 2 days. If you look at the index futures, the FIIS were the net buyers on third. In stock futures also they were the net buyers, but if you look at the index options and stock options, they were the net sellers. So this is the data for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now coming to the MPC, that is Monetary Policy Committee. So this is one interesting news to watch in the coming week, that RBI repo rate. So as of now, we are expecting that RBI may announce their coming quarter hike in between 6.50 to 6.75. These are the expectations from the various agencies like Morgan Stanley report and other reports here. So one good news is there for the Indian stock market, because both the inflation, that is retail inflation and consumer price index, are coming down since October. If you look at the CPI data of the October, it was 6.77, then it was declined to 5.88 in the November, then it was declined to 5.72 in the December. So it is the one positive news. So by seeing this data, the RBI may take the neutral stance, okay, in the coming meeting. And if you look at the recent union budget also, the finance minister delivered very positive, okay, news, okay, related to the Indian economy. And if you look at the targets, that is fiscal deficit target and growth rate targets, which are very reasonable. So hope the RBI governor outcome also favors the Indian stock market in the coming week. If you look at the global markets, after the continuous rally on Friday, all the indices, indexes, that is Dow Jones and S&P 500 and NASDAQ, closed in red. So it is quite common that after continuous rally, okay, the markets may be corrected, okay, for some points. So because of some negative results of the major companies on Friday, the Dow Jones and S&P 500, especially NASDAQ, okay, closed in red. If you look at the corporate results which are scheduled in the next week, so again the 6th and 7th and 8th, on these dates the Adani companies related quarterly earnings will be announced. In addition to this, Adani Group's other companies like Tata Steels, Muthoot Finance, LIC Housing Finance, Bharti Airtel, Hero Motor Corp, then LIC, IOB, IRCTC, Mahindra and Mahindra, BHEL. So these are the various companies which may announce the Q3 results in the coming week. So here next week it is the very heavy week and for the Indian traders and investors, because we may expect the volatility in the coming week also because of this RBI decision and major companies earnings, especially Adani companies earnings. So now here I am advising the traders and investors to maintain the strict stop losses in their every trade, and if any trader wants to carry the overnight position, they should go for hedging, because we can expect the volatility for some more time. Okay, so to avoid the overnight risks, okay, the traders have to hedge their positions. Hope the next week also, okay, boosts our Indian stock market. Okay, and hope all the negative reports are closed for the Adani companies. Okay, if there is no news, if there will be no news on Saturday and Sunday in relate to the Adani, especially negative news, then that will be the good news for the Indian stock market. Okay, no bad news for the Adani stock market will be the good news for the Indian stock market for the coming week. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.